Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have HMD Fusion and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage our Google passwords, we need to open our Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose Add to Home Screen. Not Add to Home Screen, sorry, Settings, where we have our Google Password Manager, and there we can manage our Google Password. First step, we can tap on which account we want to manage, enter our look screen and get connected to that. In it we can copy our username and password using this first icon, or after we choose this ice icon, our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also share this password to someone using this icon, or edit something, tap on edit and write something new in username, passwords or note. But remember, when you change something, press save. You can also delete this password from our device by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.